One summer, I stayed in a small village near a forest. The village was quiet. Almost too quiet. There were only a few houses, and everyone knew each other. But something felt strange. Nobody entered the forest after sunset. When I asked why, people only shrugged. Some said the paths changed at night. Others said people sometimes got lost. Nobody seemed completely sure. But everyone agreed on one thing. Stay on the main path. Nobody explained further. That answer stayed in my mind. A few days later, I met an old woman. She was sitting on a wooden bench near the village square. She smiled as I walked past. Then she asked, "Do you enjoy walking in the forest?" "Yes," I said. "I walk there almost every day." The woman nodded. Then her smile faded. Some paths are not meant to be searched for. I laughed. "What path?" "The hidden path." I waited for her to explain. But she slowly stood up. Then she walked away. That was all she said. The hidden path. For the rest of the day, I couldn't stop thinking about it. The next morning, I returned to the forest. I followed my usual trail. Birds sang in the trees. The air was cool and fresh. Sunlight moved softly through the leaves. Everything seemed peaceful. Then I noticed something strange. A narrow path between two old trees. I was sure it hadn't been there before. The path was small and easy to miss. It almost seemed hidden. I stopped. Part of me wanted to turn back. But another part wanted to know where it led. So I followed it. As I walked, the forest slowly changed. The birds became quiet. The air felt still. Small white flowers appeared beside the path. I had never seen them before. The farther I walked, the more flowers I found. Then I heard music. Soft music. Like a distant melody carried by the wind. I followed the sound. Soon I reached a small clearing. In the center stood a giant tree. It was the largest tree I had ever seen. Its branches stretched across the sky. Its leaves shone in the sunlight. Beneath the tree hung a wooden swing. It moved gently. Back and forth. Back and forth. But nobody sat on it. The music stopped. The clearing became silent. I stepped closer. Words were carved into the tree. "Welcome, traveler." I looked around. There was nobody there. Then I noticed something hanging from a branch. A small silver key. I reached up and took it. The metal felt warm. As if someone had been holding it moments before. A breeze moved through the clearing. The leaves whispered above me. At first, I thought it was only the wind. Then I heard a voice. Soft and distant. "Follow the river." I froze. A moment later, the voice was gone. Behind the tree, a narrow stream flowed through the forest. I followed it. The water sparkled in the sunlight. Everything felt brighter here. Almost magical. After a few minutes, I found a small wooden box beside the stream. It was locked. I looked at the silver key. Slowly, I unlocked the box. Inside was a single letter. The paper was old. Very old. I opened it carefully. The letter said, "If you found this place, remember this. The hidden path appears only to those who are willing to slow down. Most people spend their lives rushing from one place to another. They walk past wonder every day, but they never see it. The path is not hidden because it is secret. It is hidden because most people are looking for something else." That was all. No name. No explanation. Just those words. I sat beside the stream for a while, listening to the water, watching the sunlight dance through the trees. For the first time in a long time, I felt completely calm. Then a bird called from somewhere above. I looked up. Only for a moment. When I looked back, the box was gone. I blinked. The grass remained. The flowers remained. The stream remained. But the box had disappeared. Slowly, I made my way back to the village. The hidden path felt different now. Smaller somehow. As if it had already begun to fade. When I reached the village, I saw the old woman again. She was sitting on the same bench. She smiled. "Did you find it?" she asked. I nodded. "Was it real?" I asked. The woman looked toward the forest. Then she smiled again. "That depends," she said. "Did you learn anything?" Before I could answer, she stood up. Then she walked away. Years passed. One summer, I returned to the village. I wanted to see the forest again. I wanted to find the hidden path. But no matter where I looked, I could not find it. The path was gone. I asked about the old woman. Nobody knew who I was talking about. Nobody remembered seeing her. Yet somehow, I was not surprised. At sunset, I walked away from the forest. Then I noticed something beside the road. A small white flower. The same flower I had seen along the hidden path. I smiled. Maybe the path had disappeared. Or maybe it was still there, waiting for someone willing to slow down and notice it.